Hello, Dr. Stock viewers. Welcoming you all to my new video. In this video, we're going to continue with the same thing which we are continuing on the past few weeks. So it is the continuation of the topic which we are seeing regularly on our weekends. So this would be our last discussion of the website. It's like technical websites and fundamental websites which are used for the traders and investors. So we're going to see today more completely on how to use the site called tradingview.com, which is currently right now the one of the highest used site, and it is giving the accurate live data. One big disadvantage here in this site is we don't have any future component here in this site and the options status. So I'm going to show you what are the things which we can do in tradingview.com and how to use the site accordingly. I'll go to that very detailedly in short. Before I move on with the topic, right? So I want to thank all my 523 subscribers for being part of my group. So if you are watching this video as the first time, right? So try to subscribe to our channel and try to share the videos to your friends so that everyone will get benefited. Whoever is in the trading circle will get benefited. Thanks, friends. I'll straight away go to the topic. This is how the trading view website will look. Okay, so it is like the login. I have done the login and I have not done any upgrade as of now. So we have a 30 days free trial. If you want, you can test that as well. So all the indexes available here, Nifty and Bank Nifty. When you click that Nifty, right? So it will be loading the Nifty now. So what is the main advantage here is it is getting the current live data. So whatever data lively market is moving, right? So all the data will be live here. So that is one great advantage here. So you can take this as a movement like anything, the things, right? So bars, candle, hollow candles, Fibonacci line, whatever things you want to change, you can change accordingly. This is the time parameter. You can change the time parameter accordingly. These are the two things which I shown you. So now this part is something like favorite indicators. So you go for this option. So where here you type anything, you will be getting multiple indicators. So whoever developed, all the things will be coming here. So you can go ahead and take it accordingly and you can use it accordingly. Fine. So this is how it goes. Public library. It's something like whatever indicator is there, you can go ahead and pick. If you want to code your own thing, you can code here as well. Okay, built-ins. This all the built-in things which are available as a pre thing. So if we don't want to do anything, it is available as a built-in. Favorites, I have added something. My scripts volume profile. So if you want to take the volume profile, you can take the volume profile accordingly. So this is all the options you will be available when you go for FX. So these are the basic components which you will be having in TradingView. Okay. Now moving on with some of the other parameters. So here you go. It's like dot, arrow, and eraser. Whatever things you want, you can put it. So I want to keep a dot. I'm keeping a dot. Using this, you can do that. I could not use my mouse at this moment. Okay, that option will be available there. Now, trend line, info line, trending angle, all these options you can do it. Let me show you trend line. This trend line. I'm just drawing simply as a trend line. So it's like you can put the trend line according to your need. This is parallel channel. So accordingly you can use it. This is how the things goes. So I'll just do the diagram. So all these parameters is available here. Now moving on to this thing. It would be the set up everything right as of now would be very close or very similar to that of the investing only, but it is very user friendly and this much inbuilt things and whatever things you want to build as an indicator, right? All these things is not available in investing, and it is everything is available here. You want to put a brush diagram, I mean rectangle, rotate, rectangle, eclipse, everything can be drawn here. All the text component, whatever things you want to write, you can do everything here in this options, call out balloon, everything. And this is something like harmonic pattern things. Whichever you are familiar, you can go ahead and draw it. So if you want to draw head and shoulders also, you can go ahead and draw it. And this is something like a smiley kind of things. So this is all what we have. So right now, I just got one quick query about Fibonacci retracement. Okay, people are having some issues in drawing Fibonacci retracement. I'll draw that simply to you. How to draw a simple Fibonacci. Okay, there is some logic that you have to keep in mind. Go ahead here and choose the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, what you're going to do here is choose the highest high and the lowest low. Your highest high should be 100% and the lowest low should be 0. Then This is the Fibino retracement, right? So you want from down to up, you have to draw in this way. If you want from down to, I mean up to down, you want to reverse it. It is all accordingly how you can able to proceed. So you can able to simply determine it from 0 to 100, right? So you want to do it in the upside movement will be happening up in this way. So above 61.8, it will be touching 100 something like that. So if you want to do from this side, you can do in this way. Now, many people are having some issues. So recently I saw one doubt in the comment box as well. Okay. So it's like people are drawing this, but they can able to see only their percentage, but their value is not popping up, right? Let me go to the settings. So whenever you draw anything here, right, you will be having this pop-up button open the settings. So when you open the settings, right, what will happen is go to downlines. So here you will be having levels prices. When you remove the prices, your prices will not be there. So I got a recent doubt in the comment box that prices are not getting listed. As of now, the prices are not getting listed, right? Let me go ahead to that same. Prices are inputted now. You have to select this. That is the main thing, okay? Now give it okay. You can able to see all the prices here. So that is how this Fibonacci will works. It is one of the bullish momentum, bullish price action pattern, right? So it's like FIBI is something like present everywhere. So you have to keep in mind that FIBI levels are very, very important. So now going on with this, you can change this values from right side. Right now the values are there, right? You can change it to left. If you want, you can put these things. That is how it goes. So you can do things accordingly and you can change things accordingly. Whatever things you want to look, you can put it accordingly. This is how to draw a simple FIBI. Same data you can do in Excel as well. In Excel also you can do it. You just calculate this value and this value. What is the value? Take that value, okay? And that value is 23.6% will be this value. And that summation value is 38.2 will be this value. So accordingly, you can put the values. In Excel also, you can able to easily calculate these things. Fine friends, this is all what I have with TradingView. Thanks for watching this video.